In this video, we will explain how the shift system works in Proveris OEE. The shift page has three record types: shift, short break, and meal break. Understanding what each one does is important because together they define exactly which time periods the system monitors and how that data appears on the dashboard. Each record type is covered in detail in the following videos. The most important principle to understand is this: the system only processes data that falls within a defined shift period. Sensor readings, product counts, alarms, and energy data that occur outside of shift hours are completely ignored. They do not appear on the dashboard and do not affect any OEE calculations. Even if a machine is physically running, if there is no shift defined for that time, the system treats it as offline. Only what happens inside a shift boundary is visible and meaningful to the system. Defining shifts is what activates the dashboard. Without shifts, all OEE-related widgets, the OEE, availability, performance, and quality gauges, will show 0 because there is no planned production time to calculate against. The working status chart will show everything as offline. Once shifts are defined, the dashboard comes alive. The gauges update. The working status chart shows WP, DP, break, and alarm periods in their respective colors, and all production data from within the shift boundaries is shown and used. To add any of the three record types, open the shift page. Select the machine from the list on the left, then select the product from the right. With both selected, click the shift, short break, or meal break button. All three use the same four fields: start date, start time, end date, and end time. The start and end dates define the calendar range, and the start and end times define the daily hours within that range. A single entry can cover multiple consecutive days with the same daily schedule. Once saved, the record is immediately active. To edit an existing record, click on it in the list and update the fields, then save. To delete a record, select it and press the delete button. Important: shift changes do not take effect immediately on the dashboard. After adding, editing, or deleting any shift, short break, or meal break record, the server must be stopped and restarted for the changes to be recognized by the system. Once the server is restarted, the dashboard working status chart will update to reflect the new shift boundaries for each machine. One more important detail about how the working status chart displays data. When multiple statuses overlap at the same moment, the chart follows a fixed priority order. Short break has the highest priority and is always shown first, followed by meal break, then DP, downtime, then WP, working period, and finally offline, which is shown when there is no data at all. This means, for example, that if a machine stops during a short break, the chart will show short break, not DP, because short break takes priority.